Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update as to what is going on in the NQ after that crazy action today. One thing I want to show you is that I had symmetrical setup, and timing for a low today when we have had that bounce. Okay, so that is a great reason to be in our room because we have this happen a lot where we've got timing and a setup that come together, time and price, to give you a great setup. We bounce from there, and what is next? What I've got next is a second extension from a previous swing, and then of course a cluster here. This is also on the daily, not the green extension there, but the symmetrical resistance and the 786. I will show you that in just a minute. So the next area I really want you to pay attention to here on the NQ is 13,373 to 92. And you will also see that here on the daily, that symmetrical resistance at 13,373. And then of course that 786 is from a smaller swing inside a swing here. We can also label that there. So same resistance on the daily, 13,373 to 92. And it looks like we have all the moving averages on our side now on the daily and the NQ, which is great news. We are above the 200, which is this pink line. We are above the 50, which is the green line, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So that is awesome. Like I said, the only thing I want you to watch out for now is this resistance, 13,373 to 92. And if that low from March 5th is any good, your target on the daily is going to be 14,347 and 14,931. All right, everybody. I hope you're having an awesome week so far, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me